This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on Vita3K. First, download and install the Vita3K emulator for your operating system. After installation, you'll need to install the PlayStation Vita firmware and the font package. These are crucial for the emulator to function correctly. You can find these files on the official PlayStation website. Remember, a 64-bit operating system and at least 4 GB of RAM are recommended for a smooth experience. Next, you'll need the Minecraft PlayStation Vita Edition game files. It's important to acquire these legally, ideally from your own game dumps. The emulator primarily supports PKG and zip file formats for installation, while some versions might use VPK. Zip is generally more reliable. Ensure your game files are properly decrypted, often through methods like no npdrm or FAGDEC for compatibility with Vita3K. To install Minecraft, open Vita3K and navigate to File, then select Install. PKG or Install. Zip/VPK depending on your game file. Some games also require license files like bin, RIF, or ZRIF keys, which can be installed via the File Install License option. For optimal performance, set your GPU backend to Vulkan on Android devices or OpenGL on PC, and always enable the shader cache. For the best gameplay, adjust the internal resolution scaling. 1x or 1.5x often provides a good balance between visuals and performance. Enabling the performance overlay can help you monitor frame rates and identify bottlenecks. If you encounter issues like black screens or glitches, ensure your GPU drivers are updated. Custom drivers, especially for Snapdragon processors, can significantly improve stability and speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.